What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we start today's video, I want to go on a lake walk. So the weather is really good today, so I want to take advantage of it and go for a nice walk. So after that we'll get into the video. Done with the lake walk. Took a fair bit of time, but I got it done in the end. Now let's get into the video. But first I want to buy some coffee, so let's go to the supermarket. And we are back. In today's video I'll be covering workout routines and workout splits, and I'll be explaining, going into detail about each of those workout splits and which one works best for you. So stay tuned. Hi there, my name is Himanshu, and today I'll be going over workout splits that's most commonly used in the fitness industry, and you can use these to build muscle no matter if you're beginner level, intermediate or advanced. I'll be first going over push-pull legs routine, and secondly I'll be going over the bro split. So the push-pull legs routine is the most commonly used workout split that's used by beginners and intermediate level lifters. This means that you body into 3 parts, and you'll be training push muscles on one day, pull muscles on one day, and then legs on one day. So if you take push muscles, you get triceps, chest and shoulders. So you can do triceps and chest on one day, and then the next day you can do pull muscles, which is back and biceps, and then the next day you can do legs. When you come around to push again, you can do shoulders and triceps again. So it allows a good amount of rest time. It works well, as I said before, if you're a beginner or intermediate level, because in the beginner and intermediate level, it's like the first years that you're gonna gain muscle the most, so you wanna take advantage of that and put on as much muscle as you can. So doing a push-pull legs routine really takes advantage of that. It also works good if you have a busy schedule, if you can't afford to spend a long time in the gym and you can't afford to come to the gym every day. The push-pull legs routine works good for you. So moving on to the bro split. The bro split is when you do one body part in one day and you pretty much go all out and fatigue that particular muscle group with high intensity, high volume and heavy weight. So that works best for advanced lifters, where they have to spend a lot more time trying to fatigue the muscle, and the muscles don't get fatigued that easily compared to a beginner lifter. So it works well if you don't have a busy schedule. So if you can spend more time and allocate more time to go to the gym and spend around 1 to 1.5 hours in the gym in a particular muscle group, you can also have different sections of the muscle group that you target specifically in that particular day. And that works the same way for push-pull legs training split as well, where you can train different parts. Say you want to train shoulders and triceps, you can focus more on the rear delts of the shoulders, and you can focus more on the long head of the triceps, and you can focus more on different parts of the muscle group. The bro split allows more rest time, so you only train one muscle group in one day, so you're gonna train the same muscle group the next week, so you have a week to recover. So that works well. So those are the 2 main types of workout splits that are going around and that are being used by most lifters. So I hope you guys took some value out of this. And now I'm gonna have a cup of tea and then hit the gym with you guys. So I'm gonna be training biceps today, so I'll be recording a bicep workout and showing you guys insights on what bicep exercises I do and how I do them. So stay tuned for that.
got you like you got me. When the earth shakes, when the bombs scream, until our last breath, every heartbeat. Turn to real life, and the ground's filled up with landmines. We will face it, standing side by side. You know I'll come running when you need. I'm coming. You know I'll come running. You go to war, then I'm going with you. Pick up my sword, yeah, there's nothing I won't do. When you found me alone, when the chaos is rising.
And that's it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed the bicep workout that I did. If you have any questions about the workout or any questions about nutrition, make sure to leave it in the comments below and I'll answer it. I hope you guys enjoyed the little B-roll clip that I put up in the front. And let me know if you guys like that. Make sure you like, subscribe and comment. Until next time, I'll see you later.